Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of promotions not being redeemed in Shopee. Alright, let's begin. First, it's important to understand Shopee's policy regarding voucher usage. You can apply a maximum of 2 types of vouchers in a single checkout. One is a Shopee platform voucher, such as a free shipping discount voucher or coins cashback voucher. The other is a shop voucher per shop, either discount or cashback. Now, let's move on to the key things you need to check for redeeming your promotions. First, always check the terms and conditions of the voucher before using it. Each voucher code comes with its unique set of conditions. The first condition is the minimum spend. Some vouchers require a minimum spending amount for eligibility, so ensure your purchase meets this criterion. Next is the redemption period. Some vouchers have a specific time frame within which they are valid. Make sure to redeem them within this designated period. Additionally, be aware of limited redemptions. Certain vouchers may restrict how many times they can be used, so keep an eye on this limit. Lastly, check the payment method requirement. Some vouchers may specify a particular payment method like Shopee Pay or credit card. To check the terms and conditions for each voucher, head to your Shopee page and tap on My Vouchers. This will display all available vouchers. So that's basically how you can fix the issue with promotions not being redeemed in Shopee. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.